We are creating a scene where a family appears inside the word love. If you want to follow step by step, files are linked in the description. Start with your love image and family video. Use Chroma key tool to remove the green color from the word love. Now the letters become transparent. Place this over family video using overlay. Once that looks good, export this as a new clip. Next, bring in that newly saved clip along with night sea video. Use Chroma key again, this time removing the blue background. That leaves only the family footage visible inside the word love. Place this on the top of the ocean video using overlay. And here's the final reveal.